Okay, this next problem is from the textbook. It's page 489. It's problem number 19. Neptune's average distance from the Sun is 4.503 times 10 to the ninth kilometers. Mercury's average distance from the Sun is 5.791 times 10 to the seventh kilometers. About how many times further from the Sun is Neptune than Mercury? Write your answer in scientific notation. Okay, so what we're going to do on this problem, we're trying to figure out how many times further. So I'm going to take the 4.503 times 10 to the ninth, which is the first one of Neptune's, and then I'm also going to go ahead, I'm going to take the Mercury's average, which was 5.791 times 10 to the seventh power. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the two numbers, the 4.503, so 4.503, and I'm going to divide that by 5.791. Okay, if we go ahead and we divide that, I'm going to write that underneath. Okay, this would probably be okay to go ahead and use a calculator to calculate that, because the numbers that I'm seeing right here go across my calculator screen. So it's 0.77758,591. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go out to 777, and let's go one more and make that a 6. And that last one's been rounded. Okay, and then the next part, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide these two. Okay, we have 10 to the ninth over 10 to the seventh. Remember, we can subtract our exponents. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract them. And I get 10 to the second. And what you're going to notice is these two numbers, or actually this number right here, is not in scientific notation. So I'm going to need to go ahead and move it into scientific notation. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this on over, and that'll change my number to 7.776 times. Now remember, if I move it over here, we've gone from a smaller number to a larger number. I need to go ahead and I need to change this to a smaller number because I've moved this one into a larger number. So I would get 10 to the first power. Okay, and because we did a rounding, I'm going to go ahead and use my approximate symbol right there. And also because this is a word problem, so it's going to be, it's about kilometers. Oh, let's just put times, because it's asking how many times further. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it, and that one right there should be your answer.